Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Brian here with TRD Pro. Today we're going to be working in the 2021 Tundra TRD Pro. We're going to be installing this new pedal commander. These are available on the website www.trailgridpro.com. This pedal commander is going to give us the ability to have better control over the vehicle, improve acceleration, improve the responsiveness of the truck. As we open the box here, see that it has 4 different settings. You have Eco, City, Sport, and Sport Plus. And then you have 8 different sensitivity settings in each of those ranges. So really dial in the feel of your truck with this pedal commander. Installation time, probably about 10 minutes. All right, over on the bench, let's do a quick unboxing so you can see exactly what you get in your kit. First of all, this comes in a really nice hard case here. Very well built, very well packaged. So we're going to slide the top off here and you can see the pedal commander module itself. We're going to go ahead and pull this tray out and here it is. So essentially you have your control module with a wire, and on the other end you have a jumper harness. Included in here is a alcohol pad so that we can clean off a spot on the dash. Has this nice little holder, has a piece of Velcro so we can attach that to the back of that and then attach it to the dash or wherever you want to put this. And then obviously the information packet goes through each of the installation steps as well as how to toggle back and forth between the settings. And then a couple of zip ties just to tie the cable up. Always want to use good cable management. This is going to plug in right on the top of your gas pedal, so we definitely don't want to have a tripping hazard to have your gas pedal get caught up in that. So let's move over to the truck and we'll start this install. All right, back on the driver's side of the truck here. Right above the gas pedal, if we follow the gas pedal up, there's a wire on top of the gas pedal. That is where we're going to hook in our harness for our pedal commander. So the first thing we're going to do is disconnect that wire. We're going to take the 2 plug end of our harness. We're going to connect our harness to that wire and then connect the other plug to the top of the gas pedal. All right, now you can see that both the plugs on our harness are connected. One side, like I said, goes to the wire that runs up in the dash. The other side goes to the plug directly on top of the gas pedal. Okay, so now we're gonna take our module here and we're gonna run it up through the dash. Now we have it, I brought it out right below the steering column here. We're gonna pull the excess slack out of the wire and then we'll move inside and we'll mount this on the dash. We're gonna get the alcohol prep pad out of the kit. Go ahead and tear it open. And we're gonna mount it right here on the dash. So we're gonna give this whole area a good wipe. Wanna make sure we clean off any of the dirt so we have good adhesion with our Velcro. And then we're going to flip it and we'll give it one more wipe to the whole area. All right. Our 2 pieces of Velcro here. Go ahead and try to peel the backing off. This may be the toughest part of the install if you don't have nails like I do. All right, got that peeled off. We're going to go ahead and center the Velcro on the back of our mounting bracket. Go ahead and peel the backing off. Very strong adhesive on the back of this, so I doubt that once it gets attached to the dash that it is going anywhere anytime soon. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the cradle there so we can make sure we get it nice and lined up. Get it nice and even. And we'll just give it a firm push. Just push and hold it for about 10 seconds. Just make sure that Velcro is nice and adhered. All right, yep, that is definitely not going anywhere. So only thing we have left to do is we're gonna tuck away this wire, and we're gonna use the included zip ties, and we're gonna clean up the wire down below. Like I said, that way it doesn't interfere with the pedal, and then we'll start the truck up and see how it goes. Okay, so we got the cable all tucked away. Everything is done, installation is done. So let's start the truck up. Pull the module out here. See, it did power on. Hold the button down, it goes to Eco. Press the star. Cycles through City, Sport, Sport Plus. We can adjust our sensitivity. All right. Let's go out, take it for a ride, and see how much better this truck is. All right, let's go for a ride. We'll see just how much of a difference this pedal commander has made. Right now, check our module. Right now we are in City. So this is the recommended setting for just everyday driving. If you daily drive your truck, kind of a nice middle ground. Even just backing out of the driveway, instant responsiveness in the gas pedal. Already a 100% noticeable difference. Before you used to, you know, kind of put your foot down and it would be like, all right, now we're gonna go. Instant responsiveness with this pedal commander already, and we haven't even made it out of the neighborhood. So we'll do some surface streets here, getting out of the neighborhood, and then we will get on the highway and we'll test out the Sport and Sport Plus options, as well as the Eco. See, right now, yeah, I'm about 11.9 miles per gallon. The truck only has 130 miles on it, so not a true judge of the miles per gallon that we should expect, but be interesting to see if the Eco setting really makes that number go up when we take it on a long trip. Oh yeah, instant power. You go faster with the pedal commander. All right, so that was City. And then the plus minus was neutral 0. Getting ready to get on the interstate here. Gonna head up 15 towards Thermon a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and shift it into Sport. We just push the star. There's a button in the star. Push that. We're gonna change it to Sport. Again, the plus minus, we're at a neutral. We're at the 0 setting. It is really nice that the module tucks away right up under the dash here. It's a really clean install, but it's also extremely handy. So if you just want to change your settings real quick, it's not a big, long, drawn-out process. You literally just hit a button, it changes, and you're good to go. All right, so we're getting on the highway here. It's in Sport. We're in Sport 0. Get straightened out here. Oh yeah, instant responsiveness, instant acceleration, perfect for getting on the highway. Go ahead and change it over to Sport Plus. Oh, wow. Just barely touch the gas and it just wants to get up and go. Hear that TRD exhaust just screaming. That is awesome. Just Sport Plus, not, the book says if you're ready for the track, put it in Sport Plus. They weren't lying. You just barely, just like this much, push the gas and the truck just wants to go. I don't even care about miles per gallon. That's straight smiles per gallon right there. Let's be honest though, if you bought a Tundra TRD Pro, you weren't worried about miles per gallon to start with. So let's not even play like that's a thing. All right. Just for giggles, let's put it in eco mode. Ooh, Sport Plus to eco mode, big shift, big change in the responsiveness. I have my foot almost all the way to the floor before the truck gets up and goes. Definitely see how this would be beneficial on a long ride. It's amazing how fast you push the button and the truck changes in an instant. Even if you just click right through the modes, instantaneous change in the responsiveness of the truck. If you're looking for an easy, effective, performance-based upgrade for your truck, I'm telling you, Pedal Commander, worth every penny of it. Completely different feel to the truck. Honestly, this is the way the truck should have come from the factory. We don't put anything on the website that we don't personally put our stamp of approval on. So until next time, have a blast out there.